pretty nice fan. It's good for many things, but one of the things nobody tells you about if you're in my line of business, which is, well, one of them is rope access. When you're driving to your job and you have to really pay attention to stay in your lane, then you know it's very windy. Because it's a big fan, it catches a lot of wind. Today I think we're at the 5 bow 4, 6 bow 4 level, like on the edge of what is allowed. So the good thing, it's not a very exposed job. We're working on a crane pedestal. I don't think it's that high. It's going to be NDT, eddy current testing of the welds. We'll see how windy it is when we get there. On with the drive. Rigging today. There's my man Travis. Expecting welds on a crane ship today, but not allowed to film. I'm trying anyway. Fun times, a lot of wind though, a lot of wind. People, basic rigging. Now the bracket here with the steels around. All the ropes go into carabiners, 2 knots, evenly shared, everything steel, nothing can break. The boats will swing free in the wind past one rounded edge of the old. Done. Quick and dirty job. I could not film that much because, well, it's not. First of all, it's not allowed. All photography and video is illegal. There was a lot of rigging, de-rigging, rigging, de-rigging, because the guy was climbing pretty fast from spot to spot and doing his inspection properly. Easy job. We finished right before the rain. As you can see, it's pouring down. So it was perfect timing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. Leave a comment on what you would like to see. That will be awesome. I will see you in the next one. Peace. Ooh, just a little PS on today's vlog. Jesus, I'm so glad we finished. When we finished, look at this weather. It's terrible. The wind is blowing so hard. Holy shit! I'm glad I'm inside this warm and cozy van. Alright, next time! Woo!